Here we have a question about real estate prices, and we're seeing that the price that the family paid is 18% more than what the previous owners paid. So we can't simply take the 45,000. So we can't simply take the 459,000 and lower it by 18% because that's not the order in which it's being done. So let's go ahead and write the 2020 price. And if something is 18% more or less, let's just think for a second about what that means. So 100% plus 18% takes you to 118%, and down 18% takes you to 82%, and in decimal form, 1.18 and 0.82. Now, before we continue, let's do the same thing for 13%, because we're going to be using that later in the question. So plus 13 and minus 13 from 100 would take you to 113% or to 87%, and put them both in decimal form. And we'll be using this in a moment. So the 2020 price we know is 459,000. And the question tells us that the 2020 price is 18% more than the 2016 price. And so now we can fill into that verbal statement. The 2020 price, 459,000, it is 18% more than the 2016 price, which we'll call X. So now to solve this equation, we would simply divide by the 1.18, and we would get for X, whatever 459,000 divided by 1.18 is, divided by 1.18, and that's 388,983.05. And this is our 2016 price. So that's our 2016 price. Now the question is telling us that the 2016 price is 13% less than the 2008 price. So let's write that statement. The 2016 price is 13% less than the 2008 price. And we have a lot of this already. We have the 2016 price, which is 388,983.05, and that is 13% less than 0.87, the 2008 price, which we'll just call Y for now. But to solve this equation, we would be dividing both sides by 0.87. And so now we know that Y, which is the 2008 price, is going to be equal to 388,983 divided by 0.87, which is 447,106 and 96 cents. And that's our answer.